My name is Nicholas Wood. I'm 29 years old. I currently live in Boston, Massachusetts. I work as a barista at a small cafe in Cambridge. I live with my girlfriend Hannah and our cat Cletus. I used to work as a nurse, so I have a few years in the health field. I no longer work in that profession. I first found out that I had cancer when I was 14. I noticed something weird, that there was a small bump on the front of my gum on the right side. But what I somehow failed to notice was on the top of my mouth, on my palate, there was a very large bump about the size of like half a golf ball protruding down into my mouth. I had the surgery November 28th, 2007. They successfully removed the tumor. At the time, I think I was too young to really understand the gravity of the situation, that this was a major medical procedure. I wasn't able to wear a prosthesis for quite a while. I missed about 6 weeks of my freshman year of high school. It was very frustrating, that I wanted to just, resume my life, so to speak, and be able to eat and talk and do all of those things again. And without the prosthesis, I can't do any of that. I am able to be understood, especially by, my girlfriend or my mom, people that have a lot of practice sort of decrypting my speech, but my speech comes out very jarbled without it. It sounds very strange. My maxillary sinus, like my cavity here and my mouth, are now one giant hole. So if I tried to eat without the prosthesis in, there's a chance that food will go into my nose, and it's very uncomfortable. Most of the time, I don't really feel abnormal. I feel like a normal guy. I don't really even think about the prosthesis in my head. I don't feel it, so to speak, unless I'm, taking it out to brush it and clean it. And other than that, I really don't even notice it's there. Dr. Morgan and people like her give me the ability to live a normal life. She's always such a cheery person. She's always asking how I'm doing and how my girlfriend's doing, and she's just she like radiates kindness. But the dedication it takes for her to do what she does. But I want her and everyone that does what she does to know how grateful I am all the time that people like her exist, and we need more of them. There is this sense of isolation that comes with the realization that this was my journey, like this was my problem to deal with, and that I was the one that had to go through it. It definitely did affect my confidence initially. You have all those terrible thoughts, it's like I'm a freak, or I look at how I look and this is terrible, but once I got used to the prosthesis and how it looked, those anxieties really just sort of faded away.